Shuttle Central. 1356 about across from an hour left. Heading 724 heavy, pending 3 miles. As we approach in, cross lane left, give way to 171 from the left, taxi runway 8 right.
Okay, clear to cross, keep left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, set at 7.4.
South Line 38, give way to FedEx Hotel.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, that's 20.
24, maintain
25, 13,
Tower 1708, runway 8 left for land. 74590, exit.
100.
11, taxi 52.
Bravo 11, exit, Gatwick,
50, 40, 30, retard.